Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ram 1500 Warlock. Coming in this nice dark blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, your rear park sensing, backup camera, with a nice tonneau cover. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, window deflectors with heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does save 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. We do get floor mats, carpet interior. You do get under storage as well as on that side. Plenty more door space up front. We do get storage here, 12-volt rear vents, cup holders, more cup holders there, and a nice split folding rear bench seat that does turn into an interior work surface or more storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 104,235 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your gears, cruise control, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, volumes and modes behind the steering wheel, digital speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow info, audio, stored messages, screen setup, all that fun. And here we get tons of storage. You get a 12-volt here, cup holders, more storage here, with storage here, more outlets, coin slots, and storage below. We got 4-wheel drive, gear select, trailer brake, tow and haul, traction, rear park sensing, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 115-volt outlet, storage above, below, on the dash, with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, assist and SOS. Here we do get our infotainment system where we have dual climate up front, volume tune, hazards, screen on or off, audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, your climate controls up here, dual climate, heated front seats. All your controls will be up here as well, or down there, whatever you prefer. Backup camera with your apps such as all these. You got your phone projections and your settings, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED81717A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.